Hey there, fellow book lovers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for you. Have you ever wondered how to read books faster without compromising your understanding? Well, you're in luck because in this video, we're going to share some effective techniques that will help you become a speed reader. So, let's dive right in. First technique we're going to discuss is called previewing. Before you start reading a book, take a few minutes to skim through the entire content. Read the chapter titles, headings, subheadings, and any highlighted text. This will give you an overview of what the book is about and help you form a mental map of the content. Now that you have a general understanding of the book's structure, it's time for our second technique. Active reading. While you're reading, use your finger or a pen to guide your eyes along the lines. This helps you maintain focus and prevents your mind from wandering off. Additionally, try to engage with the text by underlining important points or writing brief summaries in the margins. Our third technique is chunking. Instead of reading word by word, train yourself to read groups of words at a time. Start by focusing on 2 or 3 words at once, and gradually increase the number of words as you get comfortable. This technique helps you read faster and enhances your overall reading speed. Technique number 4 is called eliminating subvocalization. Subvocalization refers to the habit of silently pronouncing each word in your mind while reading. It can slow you down significantly. Instead, try to read without vocalizing the words. Trust your brain to comprehend the meaning without the need for internal verbalization. Finally, our last technique is practicing with timed sessions. Set a timer for a specific duration, say 20 minutes, and challenge yourself to read as much as you can within that time frame. Gradually increase the duration as you become more proficient. This exercise will help you build focus and speed simultaneously. And there you have it. By implementing these 5 techniques: previewing, active reading, chunking, eliminating subvocalization, and practicing with timed sessions, you'll be well on your way to becoming a faster reader without sacrificing comprehension. Remember, reading is not just about speed, it's about enjoying the journey and absorbing the knowledge. So, take your time, find a balance, and make reading a pleasurable experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on improving your reading skills.